done my reading for work and stuff like that, I have actually, why am I spinning? I have actually wrapped some of my gifts for people, not everybody, but I'm going to show you it right now. Alright, so today was my first day at work, but I also have to get stuff ready for gifts that I keep talking about. I keep talking about wrapping gifts, but then I never actually do it because I get distracted. So I'm going to be wrapping it with brown paper, red and white twine, and then I actually last year, I think it was last year or the year before, I bought over 100 like craft paper tags. So these are little craft paper tags and my pen, which is on my desk, to write. Not all the gifts are here, but I'm gonna start with the ones that I have. But what I wanted to do was to make like little gift envelopes for the stuff that I do have to wrap, which were the gifts I had made. So I've never actually done this. This craft paper has been sitting here for like, I would say at this point now, over 2 years. And hopefully, I'm going to put it back in there actually. Hopefully I can do this right. We're about to find out. And see if I can actually successfully wrap these gifts and make little brown paper packages tied up with string. That's literally what I'm trying to do here. Woo! Okay, so we'll see if I can do this. I mean, hopefully I can. So that's what that looks like. The other two gifts that are for my niece and nephew, not from my sister, from my brother's side, I'm waiting to get those, and then those will be wrapped also in brown paper. And then all I have to wrap last is for my brother-in-law, brother-in-law's mom, and that's everybody. So, oh man, like it's crazy. You can't even really see me because of the glare. But for the most part, I've gotten that done, so now I'm going to continue my reading for work and get that done. Still patiently waiting for this video to upload. That is for Awkward and Black. But my video for Vlogmas day like 2 through 4 also has to upload. That's probably not going to be up until the Tuesday, so you guys are probably not going to see this the week after this one. Oh my gosh. Busy. But yeah, let's get back to it. Hello. I just showered and now I am, well, I showered and I did some skincare. Just in the process. I used my Bellurel Turmeric Hyperpigmentation Scrub. And this is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Mask that you can only leave on for 10 minutes because if not, I think it could like burn you, I think, because they only say 10 minutes, so I gotta take this off just now. And then I'm gonna cook. I feel like I keep giving you guys like updates on like how my day is going with work and stuff. I didn't check in at all today because I was actually busy reading a bunch of documentation that my manager sent me to make sure that I was catching up, because I'm still waiting for full access to be granted to me so that I can actually do the job I was hired to do. I updated my LinkedIn. And then I did a call just to see my old coworkers so we could talk for a bit. So yeah. And then, yeah. It's interesting working from home. I mean, at first I thought that it was going to be weird, but I actually relatively like it. It just reminds me of when I was home when I wasn't working and I was trying to like work on my YouTube and work on my blog that I desperately need to update, and like Instagram, and try and like get consistent on these platforms. I'm trying to, is this a better, wait. I'm trying to be more consistent when it comes to my YouTube by at least posting more often. Like, so when it comes to Vlogmas, I'm literally posting like maybe once every week because I'm compiling days. And then when it comes to my regular content on YouTube, I'm hoping that I'll be able to post at least 2 to 3 videos a month, just because I don't know if I'll be able to, I don't want to like oversaturate and create content I'm not proud of. So when it comes to styling videos or hauls and stuff, I want to keep that real. Like, I want it to be stuff I actually like. What I'm actually thinking of doing, because I saw this on Allegra Shaw's channel, I didn't know that ThredUp does custom delivery boxes. So ThredUp is pretty much like consignment thrifted items, and you can get a box customized for you with all of the stuff that you like of your personal style, your sizing, and what you prefer. And then they send you a box. It's a $10 deposit on it. They send it to you. You get to try everything on, and then whatever fits or whatever you want to keep, you do. They only charge you for that, and then you send back everything else. So if like you get a really nice coat and a pair of pants, and that's like $200, the $10 deposit is applied to that $200. You pay the remainder, and then everything else gets sent back, and you send it back within a week, so you don't get charged for everything. I'm thinking of doing the subscription of getting a box like once every 3 months. I was gonna do every 2 months. Apparently that's the most popular one, but I don't know yet. But I'm also really, I love fashion, I love clothes, but I also don't think I should have to pay full price. But also going to the malls is just out of the question right now due to us being in lockdown and everything that's going on. But I think one way to keep my fashion content going, and also to get some really cool pieces that I can add to my wardrobe, is to use that service. Plus, I love clothes, and I love hauling for you guys, and I know you guys like my hauls because those videos do super well for me. But yeah, this is me just checking in with you guys. I really do need to go wash this off, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start cooking another HelloFresh meal. It's super simple though. I think it's like tortellini with bacon and pesto, which sounds delicious. I look like a glazed donut. That's how I like to look at night. Oh my god. No, but seriously, like, whoa. The retinol journey I have been on has brought, oh, it's really close, sorry. The retinol journey I have been on has seriously purged out my skin. I know that it's like 4 to 12 weeks of this, but I'm not doing too bad. I mean, most of this cleared up. This is starting to clear up more here. That's just angry. And yeah, getting better and better every day. Honestly, huge difference from the texture of my skin, as well as it not being so congested as it was before. But nothing like looking like a glazed donut. It's like Krispy Kreme up in this bitch. This is my new desk lamp. I got it from Wayfair Canada. It is a chrome, it's chrome, matches the base of my desk. Right now it has one of those like Edison vintage bulbs, like, well, fake vintage bulbs in it, and I like it a lot. What I did is I actually 3M'd the switch. So wait, come on this angle. Wow, eucalyptus much in the way. So I 3M'd the switch right there so that I could just like turn it on and off without having to do much, like that. And then I also 3M'd my USB card reader to my wood riser because this was just falling all over the place. So that's a lot better, I think. Hello. And that's what it looks like with it off. I think that this looks so much better. I actually think it looks really cool. I had an Instagram poll up of which bulb people would prefer, which was either the Edison bulb or actually this bulb, which is just like a regular bulb. So far, Edison bulb is winning, I think. I have to double check, but in a week or so, we'll see what bulb I actually end up with. But let's go cook, because I'm starving. Like, actually. So let's go. Lights off. On tonight's menu, we are making creamy basil pesto chicken tortellini pasta with creamy bacon and corn. It's a HelloFresh one. Tortellini, bacon. I love how everything is portioned out. That's my favorite part about this whole thing. So again, we're gonna be cooking, but this time I'm actually gonna show you the finished product, unlike when I made the risotto the other night. So, my mom wants me to tell you this video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, because it is not. Okay. That I've been cooking this whole time. This is the first check-in on Wednesday, which is hump day, but my episode 2 of Vlogmas went live today. It's doing pretty well, and this is the 3rd episode that I am now working on. I'm getting pretty good at this. I think consistency is starting to become a thing for me. Wow, look at all that crap. Every time I show you an angle of my apartment, there's something in it. So yeah, but anyway, let's start cooking. I'm gonna put you guys down. I feel like tonight we are making fajita-style chicken bowl. This is the recipe. Move that. I'm gonna hold this here so that if you guys want to try this out, you can. Maybe I'll leave a link down below. I love these recipes. They're so good and they're yummy. So let's get started. So all of this is supposed to become a fajita chicken bowl.
That is true.
Doesn't look like much, but let's do this. Morning. It is Friday, the day before my birthday. And yesterday my boyfriend sent me the Marvel Phase 5 rollout. Oh my god, I am so excited. For anyone of you guys who is new to my channel and or is a Marvel geek like me, I love comic books. I have said before that I'm a fan of anime, and comic books and graphic novels, all that jazz. So this is actually very exciting. If you haven't seen it yet, you definitely should look it up since it's on YouTube to watch the Phase 5 rollout for Marvel. It's so exciting. And the cool thing is that they're going to be tying in the TV shows like WandaVision, Falcon and the Winter Soldier into the Marvel Universe, including Miss Marvel. And it was confirmed that the lead of Miss Marvel is going to be in the next Captain Marvel movie. So this is going to be really cool. So you have to watch everything. If you are a Marvel fan like I am, you have to watch everything. And actually watch that rollout because it's actually pretty cool because you get a lot of information, especially the TV show with Loki. That looks actually really fun to watch too. But I'm only checking in because I didn't film anything yesterday because I was super busy. But I'm checking in right now. I am at work. I actually just got some stuff in. It actually got delivered. The guy from oh, now you can't see me. The guy from the Amazon delivery guy, there we go. I didn't know it was coming because it said it was being delivered today, but I didn't know exactly when. And there was just like a random knock at my door and it was Amazon. They literally are like the ghosts who like sneak into your house and you just didn't know. Like all of a sudden it's like, oh, it's here. But my mouse pad came. So I just got this to use while I'm home. It's actually really cute. And then I got this wireless keyboard to use with my laptop. I'm currently charging it. So give me a second, I'm gonna show it to you. So I got this wireless keyboard. And it's compact. It actually can also pair with my iPad, which is pretty cool because it actually has like the Win and Command button, which is really nice. But I'm using it with my work laptop right now for a wireless keyboard. But this is the coolest feature about it. So I like the fact that it's rechargeable, but it also lights up like a rainbow, which is pretty cool. So this is actually the backlight, backlight. Oh my God, I can't talk. The backlight of the keyboard. But right now I'm just charging it to be at full use. So it's just like, it's like a slim keyboard, as you can see. I will make sure this is linked below for anyone who wants to take a look at it. And I will also link the mouse pad for anyone as well who's interested. If you're looking for a new mouse pad or anything like that, since I've been kind of getting stuff to work from home since I'll be here for a little bit. But yeah, that was my check-in. My hallway always looks so messy in comparison to the rest of my place. But I have to get back to reading up on some stuff, but I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Forgot to end off this vlog, but the next one coming is going to be pretty much about my birthday, because my birthday is on the 12th. I'll be 32, so that will be like a mini vlog just of the day and maybe part of my Sunday. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.